Hey everyone, Chris with Flat 6 Motors back with another video on our 2020 Macan S. Today we've got a service cart full of parts that we're going to be installing. These are some really budget-friendly modifications that are going to improve the ride quality and the cosmetic appeal of your Macan. So let's get straight to installing these on the car.
So the first thing that we're going to be upgrading today is going to be the PDK paddles, and we're going to do this with a set of racing paddle extensions. So these are great. They come in a red anodized finish. They're fully custom machined out of a single block of aluminum, and they have some great engraving on them to show you which side is which. Installation is a breeze. All you're going to do is use the supplied 3M double-sided tape and alcohol prep pads to clean the surface, and then install the extension on the back of your paddle, and it's never going to move. So besides the cosmetic factor appeal to these paddles, you'll also get more surface area to shift with, and that's going to be really handy when the steering wheel is at an angle or when you're turning, because you definitely don't want to miss a shift. So here's what they look like installed. A really great first upgrade that you can do at home. So next up on the list is going to be a personal favorite here at Flat 6 Motorsports, our clear or smoked side markers. These are going to replace the factory orange side markers that you have in your bumper. Installation is really easy as well. You can check out our full install video on our YouTube channel, and they look great once they're installed. And last but not least, we're going to be taking a look at this PowerFlex transmission bushing insert, which is a great upgrade for your Macan, especially if it's tuned or if you've noticed the kind of play that you get in the factory transmission bushing. So this bushing insert falls into the gaps of the factory bushing, and the polyurethane helps stiffen the bushing overall to give it a more sporty feel, and this is going to mean less movement of the transmission between shifts. Now, especially if you're tuned and you've noticed some transmission clunking, then you're going to appreciate this mod. So installation is easy if you have the right equipment, but otherwise you might want to take this to your local shop to install. Should take just about an hour. And it even looks great once it's installed too. So there you have it, 3 budget-friendly mods for your Porsche Macan. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.